How corporate social responsibility shapes supply chain management for the better. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) is an ethical approach that enables companies to align their practices with sustainable development goals. For businesses, CSR is a way to operate with transparency, ethics, and accountability. With the growing awareness of the social and environmental impact of business operations, it is more important than ever to incorporate CSR into supply chain management practices. Reducing environmental impact. One of the key ways CSR shapes supply chain management is by reducing the environmental impact of business operations. Companies are now looking for ways to decrease their carbon footprint, minimize waste, and reduce the use of non-renewable resources. This involves making sustainable decisions when it comes to sourcing materials, manufacturing products, and packaging. Companies can also take steps to ensure that their suppliers are following sustainable practices. This can be achieved by conducting audits, requiring certifications, and setting sustainability targets for suppliers. By promoting sustainable practices within the supply chain, companies can reduce their environmental impact and contribute to a healthier planet. Ethical labor practices. Corporate social responsibility also involves establishing ethical labor practices within the supply chain. This includes ensuring safe and healthy working conditions, providing fair wages, and prohibiting child labor and forced labor. Companies can achieve this by carrying out audits and inspections of factories and other facilities within their supply chain. In addition, CSR involves promoting diversity and inclusion within the workplace. This includes promoting equal opportunities for all employees, regardless of gender, race, religion, or ethnicity. By promoting diversity and inclusion within the supply chain, companies can create a more equitable working environment and reduce the risk of discrimination. Supporting local communities. Corporate social responsibility also involves supporting local communities within the supply chain. Companies are now looking for ways to create sustainable economic growth and development within the areas where they operate. This can be achieved by investing in local businesses, supporting community development projects, and providing education and training programs for local residents. Supporting local communities not only has a positive impact on the people living in those areas, it also helps to create a more stable and reliable supply chain. By promoting economic growth and development within the local community, companies can reduce the risk of social unrest and create a more sustainable and resilient supply chain. Conclusion. In conclusion, corporate social responsibility plays a fundamental role in shaping supply chain management for the better. By promoting sustainable environmental practices, establishing ethical labor standards, and supporting local communities, companies can create a more sustainable and resilient supply chain. Adopting CSR practices can also have a positive impact on a company's brand reputation and attract socially conscious customers who prioritize sustainable and ethical practices. Incorporating CSR into supply chain management is not only the right thing to do, it is also a smart business decision. Want to learn more? Visit our channel ZZZ.